Is we are going to set up an HTML page, we are going to set some routes, we are going to set up a test API, and the goal is essentially monetization. Alright, so the first thing that we are going to do is that we are going to create a new service, and then we are going to create a route for it. So let me bring up the command to create a new service. And the command is essentially, so I'll explain this command. So on the local host 8001, this will create a service, and the name of the service is API monetization, and this will be the URL of that service. So let's go ahead and hit enter. All right, as you can see that I have created this service, and yeah, that's the original service that we've created essentially. So this kind of gives you confirmation that the service is now created. The next thing for this service that I'm going to create is I'm going to create a route for this service. So a route is essentially what I will type on the URL that will be used to access the service. So I will call this route an API, and I have created this as /API. So we will type our URL when we are accessing the service, localhost 8001, and this will be the route to access the service. So I will go ahead and hit enter. So this route is also created, and let's test this route. So just let's confirm if this route is successfully created. So I'm going to hit localhost /API, and this does not return me that service. So let's try again. All right, so this essentially won't work because this is something that will be called by the API. All right, so the next thing that we are going to do is now we are going to build an HTML page that will allow users to sign up, select an API plan, and also get an API key, right? So three things that we're going to do. One is sign up. The other thing is then select an API plan, select an API plan, and the third thing is get an API key, right? So this is what we are going to do next.